maybe it hasn't sunk in, but as we were watching Tuesday's PBC bout on Fox Sports 1 and looking at Julius's name on the canvas all over the ring and him being the main event and gearing up to that, I think there was just it was almost like a spiritual moment, like, yes, this is playing out exactly how it's supposed to play out. But in terms realistically though, the stakes are extremely high. I mean, a win in this bout, this is an IBF eliminator, it's a fight sanctioned by the IBF. A #1 ranking means he's the mandatory challenger for the champion right now, which is James DeGale, a fighter out of the UK. And we would very much love to go to the UK, beat him, and bring his title back to the Virgin Islands.